Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable parental controls on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. So first, open the home screen on your TV and navigate to Settings. In Settings you have to select Account and Profile Settings tile. Then enter your PIN code if required. After that, navigate to Parental Controls in the following menu. And in Parental Controls, select the first option that provides your PIN code, and this way you will disable your parental controls. If you want to re-enable them, just do the same thing again. And then you can also adjust some settings in this menu. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.